put out some squirrel food in our yard, and Nibbles is out there nibbling on his food. I always make up multiple names for little critters. Like I had a snail, and I called them like Squiggles and Squirmies. So he's Nibbles and Chompy, and I don't know what else yet. I had to look at his mannerisms. It's my little squirrel friend now. Oh, there's Crowy McGrowins eating some grain. I put out some bird food too. The blue jays like the squirrel food as well. God's work is so much more exciting than all of the technology. Ah, a butterfly flew by just then. I thought it was a bird. It's big. He likes that food.